On April 28, 1988, Aloha Airlines Flight 243 took off for what seemed like a routine inter-island flight in Hawaii. But at 24,000 feet, disaster struck. The Boeing 737 suffered a massive structural failure, causing the roof of the fuselage to rip away mid-flight, leaving passengers exposed to the sky. Despite this terrifying situation, the crew's quick thinking and expertise resulted in one of the most miraculous landings in aviation history. In today's video, we'll uncover how Flight 243 defied the odds and safely touched down after losing its roof at cruising altitude. Welcome to Cherry on Top. Your go-to source for fascinating stories, incredible facts, and real-life events that leave us amazed. If you love unraveling mysteries, exploring history, and learning about remarkable moments, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. The routine takeoff on that fateful day, Aloha Airlines Flight 243 departed from Hilo, Hawaii, en route to Honolulu. It was a short hop between the islands, something the airline had done countless times. The Boeing 737 had 89 passengers and 6 crew members on board. With sunny skies and calm weather, everything seemed perfect for a smooth journey. However, just 20 minutes into the flight, as the plane leveled off at 24,000 feet, disaster struck. Catastrophic structural failure without warning, a deafening roar filled the cabin. In a matter of seconds, a large section of the fuselage's roof, from just behind the cockpit to the middle of the plane, tore away. Passengers in the first rows were suddenly exposed to the open sky, with oxygen masks dangling and debris swirling around them. The flight attendants sprang into action, doing their best to calm the passengers, though one flight attendant, Clarabelle, C.B. Lansing, was tragically swept out of the aircraft. The explosive decompression left the crew with very little time to act. Captain Robert Schonsteimer and First Officer Mimi Tompkins had to make split-second decisions to save the aircraft and everyone on board. The crew's heroic response, with the plane now an open-air cockpit and passengers fighting for breath, Captain Schonsteimer immediately began an emergency descent to a lower altitude where the air was breathable. Communication with air traffic control was established, and the decision was made to divert to Calais Airport on Maui, the closest runway for an emergency landing. Despite the chaos in the cabin and the compromised structure of the aircraft, Captain Schonsteimer and First Officer Tompkins displayed remarkable calm under pressure. They had to wrestle with the plane's reduced control and increased drag, as the Boeing 737 struggled through the air like a kite missing half of its fabric. Yet, despite these challenges, the pilots managed to keep the plane stable enough for a controlled descent. The miraculous landing. As the plane approached Calais Airport, passengers braced for impact, fearing the worst. With the aircraft badly damaged and the structural integrity compromised, landing safely seemed nearly impossible. But against all odds, the skilled crew brought the plane down safely, touching down on the runway with remarkable precision. The emergency services were on standby, and despite the terrifying ordeal, 65 passengers and all crew members, aside from the lost flight attendant, survived the emergency landing. Investigation and aftermath. After the incident, the National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, launched an extensive investigation into how such a catastrophic failure could occur. They found that the aircraft had experienced repeated pressurization and depressurization cycles, leading to fatigue cracking in the fuselage. In addition, some of the aircraft's maintenance procedures were brought into question. This incident prompted significant changes in aircraft maintenance protocols, particularly for planes operating in environments like Hawaii, where saltwater corrosion plays a major role in metal fatigue. The courage and professionalism displayed by the crew of Flight 243 earned them widespread admiration and recognition. Captain Schonsteimer and First Officer Tompkins were awarded numerous accolades for their calm and expert handling of the emergency. The passengers, despite enduring one of the most terrifying in-flight emergencies in history, also showed incredible composure during those tense moments. The miraculous landing of Aloha Airlines Flight 243 is a testament to the resilience of both the human spirit and aviation technology. It stands as one of the most extraordinary moments in aviation history, showing how quick thinking and expert training can turn potential tragedy into survival. Thank you for watching this incredible story on Cherry on Top. If you found this video fascinating, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing aviation stories and incredible facts. Fly safe, and we'll see you in the next video.